Hi everyone, my name is Ananto Mohammed. So I'm a regular YouTube content creator as well as Facebook gaming content creator. I have some issue with Facebook gaming monetization. That's why I turned this video on and want to say something about Facebook monetization. So let's see like what happened to my page. So this is my page, Unanimous Crew. So as you guys can see that I have 21k follower. The basic rules of monetization on Facebook is you have to have 10k follower on your page as well as 30,000 1-minute view on your all videos for last 60 days. I have more than 30,000, I guess like 154,000 views on my videos. So I can show you like on my Creator Studio. Every time I apply for monetization, Facebook says there is a monetization policy issue with your page. That's why we can't monetize your page. But I don't know what happens. So as you guys can see, I have so many videos here. So if I go monetization overview, there is clearly saying no monetization violation. Your page is able to earn money because it is following our partner monetization policies. If Creator Studio says no monetization violation, how can you say that your page didn't maintain our policy, partner policy issue, partner policies? So as you guys can see, like it's completely clearly written that your page is able to earn money because it is following our monetization policies. So see detail, there is another tab here like policy issues. It says Unanimous Crew has no recent bot monetization violation. But every time I applied, they take 15 days. After that, they take 4 days to verify that. After that, they says after 15 days you can reapply. It happens to me for almost like 1 month. Every time I apply, they say the same thing, like you can apply again on May 22, 2020. We reviewed your page and need more information to determine if it can monetize. So learn more. It says we reviewed your page and need more information to determine if it can monetize on Facebook. Continue share your content and follow our rules for monetization. I always follow the rules of monetization. You can apply again on May 22. But every time I apply, they said you are not following the monetization policy. But as you guys can see, like it's completely clearly saying that Unanimous Crew has no recent monetization violation. As well as overview, it also says no monetization violation. So if I click here, get started, you can see Unanimous Crew, it says not eligible. You can apply on May 22. That is like 11 days from today. So I can apply that again after 11 days. So there is no apply application here. So I will definitely do that after 11 days. But every time I apply, I don't know what happened on their side, or is it a bot that Facebook is not maintaining, or there is no personal people is working over there to monetize not using computer algorithm, and they're just using a man to verify my page. So I emailed Facebook, I contacted with them, I appealed on the page, but they didn't listen. They just says you didn't follow the rules. But I give them this screenshot of all the things that no monetization violation. So what are you talking about, that what monetization I didn't maintain? So yeah, so policy issue, there is no policy issue. So yeah, let's go to Facebook again and see my page, because I want to show you guys that my page health is also good. So if you go my page and go more and page health, so you can see that there is a page quality, that your page has no restriction or violation. So it's completely green. If a page has any violation, it goes yellow and then red, but my page is green. It says your page has no restriction or violation. So I don't know like what happened. It's clearly is more than 30,000 view and more than 10k followers, but I don't know like what Facebook is maintaining or what they want to say. But every time I appeal, they say the same thing. So I request Facebook through YouTube. I don't know, like if there are a lot of content creator on YouTube, they also make content on Facebook. If you guys can help me, that would be really appreciable. And as well as if you guys can give me some tips that how can I maintain my monetization good, my policies and everything. that will be great. Thank you so much for watching. I'm definitely gonna say that thank you so much, and take care of yourself.